Yo dudes! Welcome to the ultimate vegan ice cream. This is an incredible ice cream. This is a treat for you. Most vegan ice creams often are based around sorbets, they're often coconut milk, they're often underwhelming. This is a party. This tastes incredible.
Genuinely is. We're using cereal milk, which might be new to you, might be not. We used to love this as kids, all the soaked cereal we're making with this. We're making a homemade Nutella that's palm oil free, it's class, and we're putting roasted hazelnuts through it.
Yeah, and it's based on a simple emulsion based around the cereal milk. Incredible, delicious, and here we go. First step we're gonna make is our cereal milk. This was a cool invention by a lady called Christina Tossi. She kind of formed this really famous cafe in New York called Milk Bar. So what we're gonna do is we have 100 grams of cereal of choice. As kids, Rice Krispies was always a treat for us, but whatever your cereal, your sense of indulgence.
Is this genuinely Rice Krispies?
This is Rice Krispies, yeah.
Okay.
So I have 100 grams of Rice Krispies. I have 500 grams of simply unsweetened soy milk. In it goes.
And it's quite important to use soy milk because soy milk naturally has soy lecithin in it, so it emulsifies. So much important to use this rather than rice or oat or almond.
Leave that soak for 20 minutes. Our cereal milk has soaked for 20 minutes. We have a bowl, we have a sieve, and we're gonna drain off the cereal. We just want the milk. So our milk is gonna reduce from about 500 ml down to approximately about 300 ml, so it's gonna reduce significantly. But it's gonna be infused with that wonderful note of cereal.
Soaked cereal milk, it's delicious. This was something we loved so much as kids.
There, and just give it a good squeeze.
And it adds a certain flavor that you just wouldn't get. It's just really, really good.
So we're just giving it a squeeze just to kind of extract as much of this lovely milk as we can. Okay, cereal milk, just make sure you have 300 ml. So if you only end up having 150 ml, just add in 150 ml of soy milk. Next up, we're gonna roast our hazelnuts. I have 100 grams of hazelnuts. Just pop them in a preheated oven, 180 degrees, roast them for 10 minutes. Okay, while they're in the oven, time to make our emulsion. Woo! So we have our blender. Okay, take out your blender, pop in your 300 ml of cereal milk.
Super infused flavor, really, really flavoursome.
Very nice. Now time to make our emulsion. So take the top off your blender like that. We're gonna squeeze in juice of half a lemon.
And this doesn't have to be a high-speed blender. Any blender works. It's just make sure to take the little lid off.
So you might be going lemon is inappropriate in ice cream, but lemon is what encourages the seizing or the emulsion to happen. Without lemon, it's the active ingredient. Without it doesn't happen. You'll see what I mean when it happens. Okay, now we've equal part soya milk to oil. So there's 300 ml of sunflower oil. You want a neutral tasting oil, so sunflower works really well. So I'm starting this rolling at a slow speed. Dave's gonna pour that in slowly. Go for it. Look at that. So look at this, look. So just to show you exactly what an emulsion is, look.
So it goes like a mayonnaise-like texture, that's what it goes like.
So this is our cereal milk emulsion, which is going to be the basis of our
ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ultimate ice cream.
Next step, add in our liquid sweetener. We're going to use maple syrup, 100 ml. In it goes.
You give a lovely mapley kind of caramelly undertone. Now, special ingredient. This is going to give it the chocolatey flavour. We have 1 tub, 180 grams of our own homemade chocolate spread. If you want to make it yourself, we've got a video which we shot of how to make it, so we'll put that in.
It's very easy to make, just follow up. So this is about 200 ml.
Question, if I don't want to make my own, could I just use any kind of chocolate spread?
Yeah.
So perfect, 200 grams of chocolate spread of choice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay, in that goes.
So that's it.
Yeah.
Now just blendy. It's a good recipe. This is one of Stevie's recipes.
Beautiful. Yeah, wow, look at that. Serious.
So serious, it's a serious kind of
chocolate. So you end up getting this serious, creamy, delicious, lovely, almost like custard.
Really serious, like a chocolate mayonnaise, but that doesn't
try that
taste
now.
good.
Dip your finger underneath just to try that. Like it is like a custard.
I'll go again, yeah. Yum. Oh my God.
Like that's just boom.
Really, really good.
Okay, hazelnuts have been in the oven 10 minutes. Let's whip them out. So you'll see they've roasted lovely.
The thing about the hazelnuts, which is great, is it gives a nice variety of texture to the ice cream. So if you didn't want to use hazelnuts, you could use chocolate chips if you want to really make this decadent.
So this is how to de-skin them and how to smash them up easily. Just pour them into a clean tea towel. Just wrap them up like that. Give them a good... And this is just in essence, they're banging off each other and you're taking the skin out. Any other ones that you don't like the look of, just give them a little rub.
Jeez, that works really well, doesn't it? So what do I want me to do now?
Next step. Well, this is the lazy way to chop them up. Just make sure, get rid of that husk. My daughter may love to put them in a little plastic bag and bang them with a rolling pin, but I'll show you another lazy way. Pop them in the middle. This is the fun bit. This is the bit I always... So this is the bit, if you're angry or you're feeling a little bad, just...
Wow. Dun, dun, dun.
Hey,
nice.
Voila. Nice. So we got a variety of texture there. Looking pretty good.
Well, so we'll pop them straight in here.
No. So we're going to use an ice cream maker. Obviously, not everyone has these at home. If you don't have one at home, just put it in a tub, put it in the freezer. Once it goes solid, take it out, blitz it up, but you're going to have to chop it up, blitz it up, because what happens is if you put it in the freezer right now, as is, there will be crystallization. It won't form this beautiful creamy texture. So you're going to have to put it in. Once it sets, or it's 3/4 set, take it out, blend it again, break down those crystals, put it in again, and then, only then mix through the hazelnut. Okay, while it's moving, we're going to add in our hazelnuts. So this is the 100 grams of toasted hazelnuts that my brother politely bashed. Just add them in. They're going to be slowly mixed throughout the whole thing as they go and frozen.
Looks cool, doesn't it?
It really does.
Jeez, it's really cool. Like it mixes it really slowly.
Et voila! There you are. That's 60 minutes that has been frozen. You got a beautiful. So we're serving this at about -10.
It's amazing.
It's very indulgent, isn't it?
I could taste that seriously good ice cream.
Like when I was little, my favourite ice cream was always pistachio. And this just reminds me of it. So it's nocciola. It's like a chocolate nocciola.
It's really, really, really good.
It's rich, it's creamy, it's got bit, it's texture, it's fabulous.
Okay, comment below what's your favourite vegan ice cream. Would genuinely love to know. This is definitely our favourite. It's taken, Stephen and his daughter May developed it, and it's really, really good.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, dude. Sending loads of love. Let us know what you think of this ice cream. Cheers, bye.